opportunity to address everyone on this special day to deliver a patriotic and meaningful speech. As we all know, the 15th of August in 1947 is an important day in Indian history. The day of honor and pride for every Indian citizen. It is the day when our India got the freedom from almost 200 years of British reign. So what? It's actually freedom from British rule. Freedom literally means the day the nation became free from the dominant British rule and attained independence. Several freedom fighters sacrificed their life to free our nation for the miserable British Empire. We all should be proud and fortunate that our Indian history has got so many freedom fighters and leaders who have not only uprooted Britishers from Indian soil but also saved future generations to promote the growth and development of India, its culture and heritage. Right from the year of independence 1947 from the current year, the nation is making progress in each and every sector such as sports, education, technology and military powers. The president and leaders of the other nations also proudly speak about India's fame and power as a democratic nation and emerging development nation. The military power of India today is so impressive that it is searched globe and no nation dares to look directly at India. Our Indian army is so brave that they are continuously fighting on borders in order to protect our country from any terrorist group. To conclude, all that can be said is the freedom we enjoy today is